Welcome back to another edition of the top 10 things you need to know in less than 3 minutes. Today we only have 5 things you need to know in less than 3 minutes, and it is the spatial sense edition. What's new with regards to Pythagorean and angles in grade 8? If you remember in the 2005 curriculum, we were only addressing the Pythagorean relationship geometrically, which meant you were exploring Pythagorean in a visual way. This is still required in the new curriculum, but now we will also solve Pythagorean problems algebraically with the good old a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now you know as well as I do that no one math concept stands alone. Expectations from the number strand have been strategically chosen to complement Pythagorean problems. You will find some Math Up lesson plans for these expectations in the Building Fluency Through Conceptual Understanding slide deck. In the new curriculum, every grade has a number strand specific expectation that is labeled as the math fact for that grade. For grade 8, that expectation is B2 decimal 2. Understand and recall commonly used square numbers and their square roots. This is an expectation where we want students to have fluent automaticity recall by the end of grade 8. So you will want to revisit this expectation regularly throughout the year. Another important fact to know is that angles has been removed from the grade 7 curriculum. So students in upcoming years will have last addressed angles in grade 6. It does make it look like there are a lot of expectations for this topic, but really, when you consider these algebra expectations, this is what we already do with Pythagorean problems. We are evaluating algebraic expressions when we have students substitute values in for legs A and B, and we are solving equations when we provide students with values for hypotenuse C and leg A and have them determine the value of leg B. So it's not an add-on, it's what you're doing already. Plus, according to the Growing Success Addendum that addresses a 1 math mark report card, it states when assigning a grade or mark, consideration should be given to students' integrated learning across the strands. So this is one example of how you can integrate strands while revisiting our 4 non-negotiables.